Hello everyone, welcome to the engineeringprojects.com. In this video tutorial, you will learn that how to use a one-dimensional array in Arduino software. You can also say it as the 1D array. So first of all, open your Arduino software, and here I am going to declare an array of a single dimension having 10 numbers. So here inside the void setup method, I'm going to store some numbers at different indices of the array. So at the index number 0, I'm going to store the value 10. At the index number 1, I'm going to store the value 20, and you can see the value 30 is stored at the index number 2 of that array. At the index number 3, I'm going to store the value 40. Now since I want to print the value at some specific index of the array on the serial monitor, so before printing something on the serial monitor, first of all I used to define the baud rate at which the Arduino will have to communicate with my laptop. So I'm going to define the baud rate as 4800 bits per second. You can also change it as 9600 bits per second. So here I'm going to print the number which is at the index number 3 of the array. So now ending with the while loop method, which is one of the most compulsory method in the Arduino software to write code for anything. And this is a method basically used to run the source code repeatedly. Now by go to the tools menu, by selecting the proper Arduino board and the proper port at which the Arduino board is connected to your laptop. Since I am going to use Arduino UNO, so I have already attached the Arduino UNO board there. Now first of all, verify the code whether everything is going fine or not. Since the code has been successfully compiled, that means there is nothing wrong with the code. Now upload the code to the Arduino board. Uploading has been successfully done. Now open the serial monitor at the top right corner of the Arduino software. That means something is going wrong there. Sorry, I have not changed the baud rate on the serial monitor as 9600 bits per second. As I change the baud rate from 4800 bits per second to the 9600 bits per second, you can see the number at the third index of the array has been printed on the serial monitor. So what we have concluded, the baud rate on the serial monitor and inside the code should be the same in order to observe the result properly. So that's all from the tutorial how to use a one-dimensional or 1D array in the Arduino software. Take care. Bye bye.